This is a room tour of the oceanfront Master King Sky Suite at the Turquoize Tower at the Hyatt Ziva in Cancun. So right before this, I was outside filming and it was so hot, it overheated my camera. I didn't realize it hadn't cooled off when I was filming this, so the color's a little bit off, but you will get the idea and wait till you see the views in this room. Right away, I love the bathrooms. They had a ton of counter space, also double sinks, but on opposite sides of the bathroom, so everybody has their own space, a huge rainfall shower, and a separate toilet area. Another thing this resort had that I've never seen are drawers and closets in the bathroom that open up to the other side. That way, if multiple people need to get into the closets and drawers, there's plenty of room to do so. And I loved that the bathroom area and the bedroom and living area were separate. Sometimes these resorts are doing open concepts between the bathroom and the bedroom, which I just don't get. However, it does have a sliding door if you wanted to open it up. For my TV watchers, they have a nice big TV that is right in front of the bed if you like to fall asleep with TV. I didn't scroll through the channels too much, but it seemed typical of the different resorts that I've been to, what they offer. And they have a nice seating space that has both a couch and a table and this desk area. They don't have an app at this resort, but they do have this iPad in every single room where you're going to order room service, check out the entertainment, the activities. You can schedule spa services. Really anything you need to know about the resort is on this iPad. I was happy to see the espresso machine in the room. I love making coffee in the morning or in the afternoon in the room. They have snacks, also, of course, the mini fridge. So one major perk of staying in the Turquoize Tower is that you do get a butler as a part of your service. So they will go above and beyond to make sure that you have everything in the room, everything that you need during your stay. And for me, that means in the mini fridge, I really only drink the regular water and the seltzer water. So he took everything out and replaced that with just those items. You also get a full bottle of liquor. Your choices are wine, tequila, or vodka. So you can ask for that and have that in the room as well. And everyone always asks me what exactly is in the fridge. So what type of sodas, what type of beers. So this was Amstel Light, Dos Equis. They even had a hard seltzer called Palmar. I've never seen that at a resort. And they had Coke products. 24-hour room service is included in your stay. I did this for breakfast one morning and highly recommend it. Just having those views while you're eating your breakfast. And there's not many adults-only dining options at this resort. So make sure you watch the honest review that I did before booking this resort. I will link it in the description because it was an amazing experience, but it's not truly adults only. Now it's time to show you the amazing views from this room. I was on floor 9, so the higher you up, I think the better views that you have. Again, my phone was acting up, so I'll show you a couple different shots of the view, but they have a jacuzzi tub on the balcony and your butler will come prepare that for you, even put rose petals if you want. They have a little seating area and also a drying rack. I thought the rooms were nice and quiet and that they were very private. So out there on the balcony, you really can't see anyone else versus the last night I stayed in the swim up suite. So I'm going to do a separate video on that room tour. So if you are considering the 2 rooms, make sure you check it out because I didn't think that one was as private. A special perk for my followers and subscribers is that you will get special pricing to this resort through Travelingos, which is the agency I worked with during this trip. So they have access to the best pricing, also the best room selection. So you can find that special pricing link in the description below. And if you are new to my channel, 3 Days and Tres Noches, I bring you honest resort reviews, travel tips and information about the destinations that I go to, and show you can have an amazing vacation in a really short amount of time. So please like and subscribe. And you can also find me on Instagram and TikTok.